first one we're going to do is a rondelle. Basically all a rondelle means is round, circular. The second cut I'm going to do is called a julienne. Julienne just means matchstick size. So what you do, your carrots, gauge your carrot. With these, don't throw these bits away, use them in your soup or the stock, okay? And then what we do is better if you flip it up and looking down, just as fine as you can. Take one bit off and then the carrot lies flat, stops it from wobbling around. We're just going to square it off as best we can. Okay. Then looking down your knife, you can see how much you're going to slice. So just knife super sharp. And then just take two at a time, or one if you feel it. And what you do, you want a rocking motion. So you want to keep the tip of your knife on the board and just practice doing that first. And then once you got that, using your hand, don't have your fingertips sticking out, because what you'll do is you will cut your fingertip. So just slightly bend your fingers so the knife rests against the side of your finger, and then you won't cut yourself, okay? As fine as you can do it. Take your time, no rush, no medals for cutting your finger. As soon as you feel uncomfortable, just stop. Next cut is a baton, which is similar to how we get to the julienne. So we'll just trim it off the size you wish. Cut the edges. And then literally it's just in half, flip it over, in half again. The next cut we're going to do is called a brunoise. That just means fine dice. Same again. Get your size, flip it up. Take one end off, it stays flat. Just a pound. And then, like the julienne, we want it a bit thicker. So using your fingers, gauge what you want, straight in half. And then we go into 3. Once we get to that stage, we're just going to make dice.